To draw a key, we are going to draw a smaller circle like this. Then we're going to draw a bigger circle like this. And you need a straight line, last end, just modified. And here, some zigzag shape. Okay. And one single line here. So this is just the rough outlines. Here you can have a trademark in a square shape, and here another hole for the ribbon or other surfaces. All right, so we're changing the pen and just connecting the outlines. Okay, so smaller circle, then connecting the bigger circle here, and connecting the straight line, including the zigzag lines. Okay, and this is a straight line which is internal. You can have a square shape inside it and a circle here. To increase the thickness on one side, just we can change the thickness of the line drawing. So let's make it more bold at the bottom line. So this is how it's just going to look like a 3D. Awesome. So you can see easily one side. Okay, and we can put the shade inside, just make it like a ash colors, fill it up all the vacant places. From that hole you can put a ribbon which is of orange color. So this is going to be the ribbon. Awesome. So this is it, very simple key. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, see you in our next videos. Have a good day.